In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Exness customer support. First, go to Exness and sign in to your personal area. Once you're logged in, open the support hub or help center from the main menu. This is your central place for getting help, whether you're on a desktop browser or using the mobile app. Before you reach out, it's a good idea to have key details handy, like your account type, platform, and a brief description of the issue. Never share your password or full payment details with anyone, including support. On the Help Center page, you'll see multiple ways to contact the Exness support team, along with helpful articles and FAQs. Pick the option that matches how urgent your issue is and how much detail you need to provide. For quick questions, live chat is often fastest. For complex matters, a ticket can be more thorough. And if you prefer to talk to someone directly, calling can be the most straightforward. If you choose the live chat option, click Start Chat to begin a session. You may be prompted to select your language and the topic. Provide a concise summary of what's happening and include any relevant order numbers or timestamps. If file uploads are available, attach screenshots to speed up troubleshooting. Keep the chat window open while the agent reviews your case, and if you're asked for verification, share only what's necessary. Remember, you should never disclose your password or full card information in chat. If you prefer the call option, select the phone support choice shown in the Help Center. You'll see the available lines by region and language along with their operating hours. Have your notes ready so you can describe the issue clearly. If call queues are long, put your phone on speaker and keep your case details nearby. It's also helpful to jot down any reference numbers given during the call so you can follow up later. You also have the option to open a ticket. Choose this when your issue needs a detailed explanation or when you want a written record. Select the issue category that best fits your situation, write a clear subject line, and describe the problem step by step. Include relevant details such as platform, instruments, and any error messages. Attach screenshots or logs if you have them. After you submit, you'll receive a confirmation and the support team will follow up, usually via email or within your account. Keep an eye on your inbox, including spam or promotions folders, and respond in the same thread to keep everything organized. That's it. Choose the method that suits your urgency, chat for speed, call for direct conversation, or ticket for detailed cases, and you'll be on your way to a resolution.